Welcome to your dream home. This home boasts an unbeatable split floor plan, offering optimal privacy and comfort. With its charming curb appeal, this home instantly captivates your attention. Convenience reigns supreme in this home, as the primary and 2 additional bedrooms are conveniently on the main floor. Need a little extra space for a home office, an entertainment room, or even a guest retreat? The bonus upstairs can effortlessly be transformed into a coveted 4th bedroom. New carpeting in the bedrooms and large laundry room are great practical improvements. The formal dining room is perfect for hosting company, while the large great room provides great space for family gatherings or cozy nights by the fireplace. The master suite with an ensuite bathroom showcasing double vanities, a separate shower, and a luxurious garden tub. Not to be